Hello. I'm about to die. Oh, I lied. I'm not. I'm fighting against Big the Cat, my Incineroar amiibo. I am player 2, the blue Incineroar, the better Incineroar. As you can see, it is 30 stocks to soon to be 2. Actually, 28 stocks to soon to be 2. So I am going to pray. Pray to our Lord Masahiro Sakurai that I can take a stock before I die, maybe? Yeah. Yep. Ooh, what hard reads. No, I didn't take the stock before he died. What rudeness of you. What rudeness of you, sir. I at least want the last stock I take to be a spike. The last stock I take, which will be this one, I want it to be a spike. The last stock I take on my last life. Haha. That's dead. Okay. I want to kill him one more time this stock, and it to be a spike. That's just my wish. Because please, Father, can't you have wishes? My wish is ruined. Oh, did I say this was Smash? I meant this was Pokemon Shield. So, let's go. You. Dang it, we encountered eyes. You've been studying foreign language, computers, and Pokemon. That's nice. Last time I got wrecked by her, so I'm gonna try to beat her freaking Pancham. Like, look at the level of her Pancham. It's level 13. My Sobble is level 14. Look, Water Pulse and Water Gun are both effective. So I'm going to try Water Pulse. It can sometimes confuse them. It didn't. Like, if that Pancham uses, like, whatever it's called, like, Fire Flame or something, then I'm dead. Circle Throw, that's what it is. That, like, it... Sobble, why? Chewy, come on, please. Bite, not very effective. Okay. Water gun him. Come on, Chewy. Come on. Yeah! Chewy, you beat him. The thing is, the last time I fought her, ooh, nice. Chewy's level 11 now. Ooh, Glut is also at level 11. Okay. I've defeated Schoolgirl. How much money do you have? What? I lost my Pokemon Savvy wasn't enough? I like money. 936 Pokebucks. Wow. But whatever. The last time, it's like, is that a Trubbish? That is Trubbish. Trubbish! No, don't run from me! Come back here! He disappeared. Genius. Trainer tips: you can set up camp on routes, and your Pokemon can earn EXP from camping. Try visiting other people's camps. No, I said no. I see Sparkles. Burn Heal. I would like that. I want you, Spike. No, Zigzagoon. I do not want you. No. Trubbish. I want one of you. I want a Trubbish. I'm gonna take it out a little bit. Level 10. None of my moves are very effective, so I'm gonna use Pound. Because it's my least powerful out of all of them. Amnesia? Does that make me forget? Oh, special defense. Oh, well then I'm gonna use a special one. Okay. Oh, you're also confused. Please don't be able to hurt me. Yeah. Okay. That's good. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Can you come on my team? Pokemon? No. One bag. Use this item. I want to use one of my Pokeballs. Go! Go get Trubbish! I lowered down her health, so it'll be probably a little easier. Yeah! I got myself a Trubbish. Yeah, Sobble's level 15. What level is it that my Sobble gets to level up? Rotom Dex. Trubbish's data. Should I name Trubbish? Yes. I choose... And wait for it. Trash Lady. I actually had a superhero called Trash Lady, and it was a lady who controlled the powers of You walk around? You're stopping me from leaving. You found a trainer. Okay. Well, do you have one Pokemon? Schoolboy Marvin. Okay. How many Pokemon do you have, and how? Oh, a Budew. Oh no. Most of my Pokemon are weak against the Budew. How many Pokemon do you have? Only 2. I'm level 12. That's easy. I'll just not use water moves. What? No. Oh, right. Super effective. Oh, okay then. I will use a potion. I'm gonna use one of my potions on you, Sobble. Now I do realize that hurting that Trubbish or Trash Lady, it did bring her health down to that amount, but it would make it easier for me to catch it. I need to search up what level your Pokemons need to be to, like, are you just gonna keep spamming that? Because that's not very nice. Yes, good job, Glut. That Budew is paralyzed. Now nuzzle him again. Yes, you're still paralyzed. Not very effective, but it's paralyzed. I'm fine with that. You're still paralyzed. Now I bite you. Yum. Okay. Wow. Dark types are really powerful on it. I'm gonna use Bite again and it's probably gonna like die. Possibly. Bite again. Okay, I can kill him. Flinched and couldn't move. Bite again. Go, 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 go. Go, go, Glud. Go, Glud. Yeah, yes. At first I thought I was gonna lose that match, but then Glud came out and I was like, nice. Trash Lady. No way. Okay, Glud is almost level 12. Nice. Gossifleur. Oh no. I'm keeping my current one. I will tell you how this ends out. One more bite, Glut. One more bite. I call her Glut because the Pokemon is gluttonous. That's literally in the Pokedex entry. It's gluttony. That's a sin. I mean, okay. Glut's level 12. How much money do you have, boy? Youch, your Pokemon are way too strong. 720. That's not that bad. Well, I mean, off on my way I go. But please, sir, let me buy. Oh, thank you. Hey, Sonia. Hey, gym challenger. You can call me Manshroom. You look real ace out there doing the opening ceremony. Yeah, but I didn't fight anybody. Oh, but where's Hop? Oh, you went a different way. Well, you're rivals after all. I guess it makes sense you train on your own. Yes, it does make sense. Oh, I know. Let me tell you about something a bit interesting. You see that building over there? It's a company owned by Chairman Rose. Oh, Rose! I'm gonna go over there. Just past Route 3, there's a mine where they dig up ore. The building over there processes it into energy. So, Chairman Rose is also responsible for Galar's energy. Can't say I really get him, but the chairman seems like a brilliant guy, right? Yeah, he does. Here's a little something for having a chinwang with me. It's an escape rope. What? Yeah, baby, I have a Pokemon card on one of those. Oh, it's a key item. Oh, thank you for healing up my Pokemon. Thank you. Okay, let's go. I run across a predicament. It's a bunch of coal people. I think. What are you guys? Yes! Walk past. Dang it. No! I don't want to look at your Pokemon. How many oh, she said Pokemon. That means she has multiple. Oh no. Oh no. Get binded, Purloin. You're gonna You're gonna be hit later. Scratch. Heebie-jeebies. You can't hurt me. You've been hurt by bind, and then I do water pulse. It has a chance of confusing. Or just straight up killing that poor Purloin. I'm sorry! Chewy's level 12 now. Anything new? No? Nothing? Squovit? No, I don't want to change Pokemon. Squovit's that's a level 13. I mean, I have effective moves. So that's good. He's confused. Okay, can you flinch and, like, not move? Yeah. Tail Whip doesn't do anything. That doesn't change anything. It changes my defense, but I mean, you're not even gonna touch me because I'll just pound you and then you'll be dead. Win or lose, I don't mind. I just wanted to show off my Pokemon. 936. Wow. Kaylee, you have a lot of money. Okay, I would like that pink Pokeball now. Yes. Beat up. Okay, I said pink, but I meant yellow. Even though it's berries, I have to encounter another person, so I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow. Or I mean, maybe not tomorrow. Maybe I'll post this on the same day. Okay. Goodbye.